All right, let's start by opening the door. All right, so I have to remove my top drawer. Just gonna pull it out, angle it up, slide it right off into two glides. So now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the top shelf. You wanna grab firmly and pull it towards you. All right, so let's remove our rails. We have two Phillips screws. We have one in the front that's hiding from us. With both rails removed, we can now pull our shelf assembly. Let's start by pulling off our glass. We don't want to break it. All right, so now with our glass removed, we can now remove the shelf assembly. Go ahead and grab it and pull firmly towards you. You don't want to pull too hard because you have two harnesses here that you have to disconnect. Just going to remove those. All right, so here's our shelf assembly. I'm gonna sit this on the table and show you guys how it comes apart. To remove the ice maker, we will have to remove this harness from this connector. We have two Phillips screws that we have to remove, here and here. All right, so with your two screws removed, you have to slide it straight up because they're locked in on some channels at the bottom. All right, so we have one more harness to disconnect on here. All right, so with that disconnected, we now have our ice maker isolated. To release this ice maker, I'll have this locking tab here at the top. You want to pry it up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rotate mine to the side, and I'm just gonna firmly push downward to release it. Fish your harness through this opening. There's your ice maker. All right, so that concludes the removal of our ice maker. Hope this helped you.